Hey, I am JK. Today I want to show you a stunning hairstyle called bubble braids. I want to show you its different ways of styling it and different types of it. To talk a little about bubble braids are a trendy and versatile hairstyle that has gained popularity for its fun and chic appearance. Ideal for various occasions, bubble braids offer a unique touch on traditional braids. Whether you are looking for a new everyday look or something special for an event, bubble braids can add a stylish touch to your repertoire. It's one of the easiest and most stylish braids for black women and also white women. This comprehensive guide or this comprehensive video will walk you through how bubble braids can be styled and different types and colors and ways of bubble braids to help you rock this stunning hairstyle. If you are so interested in this video, please give me thumbs up, and of course don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bubble braids, according to different types of it can be packed or it can be done in a few strands according to how you want it to look like. So I want to leave you this video, go through it all and you can choose your best. In case you want to have a bubble braids hairstyle, you can always get me on my WhatsApp number or on my social media platforms, on Instagram, TikTok, on X, everywhere. I use Hair Crown UG. You can always get me, or you can even write to me direct. You can even call me direct or WhatsApp me on +256 779 89 42 59. You can get me physically. And by the bubble braids hairstyle can also be done by your own. You can do it on your own. That is in case you have a function and you want to have a quick styling in your hair. You can do it by yourself. If you have rubber bands, you can do it. Just watch this video and see the different ways you can style bubble braids. I love you so much. Make sure you subscribe if it's your first time to come across this channel.
began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher.